When you are ready to print your Surrealism project, double check the file size by going to Image, Image Size. Make sure your document size is 11 by 8.5 inches with a resolution of 150. It doesn't have to be a landscape. It could also be 8.5 by 11. That's okay as well. You just want to double check that it's the same size as the paper that you're going to be printing on. Then when you're ready to print, you go ahead and hit File, Print. Up at the top, make sure that you're on the printer that says HS A125 8750. That's the INKJET printer. You can change the orientation of your paper by clicking on the little person button, the little icon right there. Okay? You also want to have Scale to Fit Media selected so that it shrinks it and there's no clipping that will happen to your image. The next thing you want to go to is Page Setup. After you go to Page Setup, it's going to tell you paper quality. You have different types of paper right down here. So again, I'm on paper quality. Type is, what it'll say is plain paper. You have to change it to hit more, and you're going to get a whole list of different types of paper. So we're going to be printing on glossy paper for the Surrealism project. So if you go down to Photo Papers, it says HP Photo Paper Glossy, and click OK. Hit OK. Now your picture is going to print on 8.5 by 11 inches. It tells you that right here. It's printing to the correct printer, 8750, and it's going to print on glossy paper. Go ahead and hit Print. You're going to have to hit Print twice. So we already hit it once. It's going to come up and say, it's almost double checking. Is this correct printer? Yes, it is. It's still 8750, and hit Print. Make sure your paper is inserted into the INKJET printer face down, so glossy side down, and it's going to take a little bit, but it will slowly print. Enjoy. Oh yeah, also, to double check that your artwork is actually printing, you can double click on the little printer icon right here, and it'll tell you the status. There might be a whole list of other students, but it'll say that your printer is printing, or your project is printing to the printer 8750, and it'll give the list, okay? Again, if we're in a class and everyone's printing at the same time, it's going to have a giant list. As soon as it sends all the information, the size of the file, the 2.37 megabytes, as soon as this number gets there, it'll send to the printer and start. All right, let's go print.